good?
I'm back again with another video. And I'm going to be filming a day in my life vlog. So I just took a shower. I'm gonna show you my skincare routine, do a little get ready with me, pick out an outfit, and we will be on our way. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, Almay, for sponsoring this video. All right, girlies, so I'm gonna start with a low pH cleanser, and I'm just going to wash my face. And I always use a microfiber towel because I find that it is less harsh on my skin, and it also dries it way better than a regular towel. All right, now I'm gonna go in with my facial essence. That was really expensive, so that was kind of annoying. And I just like press it into the skin. And I'm just gonna moisturize real quick.
Yay.
So I'm about to do my makeup. I got all my makeup and stuff right here. So I am partnering with Almay for this video because I really love what the brand stands for, and their ethos really aligns with like the way that I view beauty. So Almay is a brand that believes in embracing your natural features and showing off your natural beauty and enhancing what you already have as opposed to covering it up. And if you know me, if you are a viewer of my channel, you know that that is something that totally resonates with me. So for today's makeup look, I'm gonna show you guys how I just like enhance my natural features, like just enhance what I already have. So let's get started. So one of my favorite features is my skin, and my skin has been one of my biggest insecurities growing up for multiple reasons, but mostly because I was not born with perfect skin. I actually have dealt with acne as a teenager, and as an adult, I still deal with it. But as an adult, I learned how to work with it instead of working against it. Even then, my skin still is not perfect, and that is totally okay because what's most important is that it is healthy, you know? Acne comes and goes, and what's most important is that I'm taking care of my skin. So I'm gonna start off with base makeup. So I'm going to be using the Best Blend Forever makeup by Almay. I'm in the color 190 Caramel, and this already has SPF 40, so that's very cool. Keep that skin healthy and protected, ladies. So it has like a little sponge right here. That's the bottom, and you squeeze the product and it comes out like that. And then I just dot it a little on my face like that, and then I blend it in using the sponge. And what I like about this is that it's super lightweight, so it doesn't feel like I'm caking makeup on. And it's got SPF in it, girl, so how could you go wrong? Hit you with that doo-doo-doo-doo. So as you can see, it still looks like my skin. The product is very lightweight and I love it. This is the Almay eyeshadow palette in the color Illusionist. And then I also have the Almay palette pops in the color Naturalista. So I'm gonna take a flat eyeshadow brush and go in with, I don't know, I'm kind of like feeling this color right here, like this little corally color. And then I love the highlight of this color, this like orangey color, so I'm just gonna pack that one swap. And to give my eyes a little bit of depth, because I have hooded eyes, I wanna create the illusion of like more eyelid space. So I'm going to take this brown color right here and just like work that into that crease. All right, next I'm going to take my Almay Intense Eye Color Gel Smooth Liner. This is in the color Black. So what I'm gonna do with this liner is I'm just going to do my signature like baby wing, but then I'm gonna feather it out with a pencil liner to make it look a little bit more soft. You know what I'm saying? So let's go. So I just use like light strokes to create my winged liner. So I'm gonna take my pencil brush and I'm just going to, you know, feather it out with my pencil brush. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Usually when I do makeup, I would be listening to some music, but I ain't trying to get copyrighted, you know what I'm saying? All right, so now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. This is the Almay brow pencil. I'm using the color Brunette, and I'm just going to fill in my brows. Ooh, she did that. So now we're going to move on into mascara. I already have pretty long lashes. You really can't see them because I don't have any volume. So I'm gonna use the Almay Thickening Mascara. I love this one in particular because it gives my lashes volume and thickness. And it contains vitamin B, so it's super conditioning, you know what I'm saying? And it's also hyperallergenic. So if you have like sensitive eyes, this will be really good for you. So as you can see, it gave my eyelashes like some volume and it still looks super natural. That's what I love about this mascara. You know how some like volumizing mascaras, it looks like really clumpy or like you can tell that you're wearing mascara. What I like about this one is that my eyelashes still look like feathery, but they look fuller. You know what I'm saying? So, oh man, this mascara is worth it. Okay, next I'm going to apply highlighter, and I want to show you guys this really cool highlighter. These are the Almay Make Them Jelly highlighters, and I want to show you the consistency of this. Look at that. It's like a jelly consistency. It's so bouncy and it makes application so much fun. Look at this. It's so cool. And it just like, oh my gosh, look at that, oh my god. It like instantly illuminates the skin. Oh my goodness. And it blends in so natural. So like, you see how it like illuminates my skin, but it doesn't look like too extra? All right, next I'm going to apply a blush. So this is the Almay Smart Shades Powder Blush. I really like this one because it has like a mirror, so you can like take it with you and have like a portable mirror. 2-in-1. So I'm going to take the powder blush in the shade Coral. That's what it's called. All right, and now I'm going to swap everything off with a lip color. This is the Almay Goddess Gloss. I'm using the color Flame. So as you can see, this is like a metallic-y kind of like red color. All right, now let's go pick out an outfit. Okay, so I'm not exactly sure what I want to, actually, what temperature is it today? Hey Google, what's the temperature today?
Today in Los Angeles, expect a high of 72 and a low of 58.
Oh, it's gonna be pretty cool. Wow. Okay, so I'm probably gonna wear pants because of how the lighting in here is so bad. Okay. Hello, Kikai. Excuse me. All right, so outfit of the day. Because it's gonna be a little bit cool today, I decided to wear a long sleeve sweater. And because it's crop top, I had to wear some high-waisted pants. I love these ones by IMGA. I got my rings on. I messed up my hair, like when it was parted down the middle, like it got like really frizzy in the front because when I put this sweater on, the neck hole here is not very stretchable, so it like totally ruined my hair. So I wanted to put it like up in a half up, half down. It looked a little boring, so I was like, I'm gonna put a bandana in it. And so then there we go. Kikai. Annyeong. Annyeonghaseyo. Annyeonghaseyo. All right. Guess who's here?
Daddy-o.
It's Father's Day. Well, it's not Father's Day today, but we're celebrating Father's Day early. We always do that because on actual Father's Day, it's always like crowded. You know what I'm saying? So we are celebrating early. It's gonna be lots of fun. We're gonna have some goulash.
Or steak and lobster or something like that. So,
so we went to Outback. I love the Outback. I got some, what did I get?
coconut shrimp.
I got some coconut shrimp with some fries. What did you get?
Filet mignon and lobster tail.
Filet mignon. But anyway, I'm going to touch up my makeup real quick. And honestly, like, doesn't look that bad. Like, my eyeliner stayed, everything stayed. I just want to clean up a little bit under my eyes. So this is the Almay makeup eraser sticks. I've been using this stuff since I was in high school. They're so good. So basically what you do is you hold it like this so that the colored ring is on top, and then you snap it. And then there's like a fluid inside, and it goes all the way down into this part of the cotton swab, and you literally just boom, and you can clean everything up. And then I'm gonna add my lip color again. You know what I'm saying, Pops?
Yeah.
Yeah! We're at the OC Night Market! Woo! Hi, Kimchi!
Oh, didn't like it.
Well, that's that on that. Wow.
How am I doing?
You're doing a great job. Father of the year. High five. All right, thank you so much. So I got a Wagyu, what is it called?
Wagyu? Is it
steak?
Wagyu or
Cheese shell taco. So I got a Wagyu steak, cheese shell taco. So the taco shell is made out of, why isn't this focusing? Cheese. So the shell is made entirely out of cheese. I need a napkin.
Take Tommy's.
Thank you. You can Tommy in here too since we're both using it. All right, you ready?
Get it together.
Cheers. Oh, damn, it's good.
Yeah? He got the snow crab.
Watch me and my pork belly.
His drink's on the floor.
Wow.
Ew.
Alright, it is currently 1:07 a.m. It is 1 o'clock in the morning and it's time to take all of this off. And as you can see, this makeup lasted the entire day, which is pretty cool. Wow, my eyebrows are really popping, huh? They did not have to go off like that. They did not have to do that. So to remove my makeup, I'm gonna use the Almay Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. Love this stuff. It really gets everything off. And I think they have like multiple versions. This is the gentle oil-free version. And it really just like, look at that. One swipe and everything's off. And I'm not gonna go over my eyes because I'm going to use a different makeup remover for my eyes. And for my eyes, I'm going to use the Almay Makeup Free Zone Eye Makeup Remover Pads. So basically what I do is I will place them on my eyes and just let the saturated cotton pad kind of penetrate a little bit. And then I will just gently press down and remove the makeup. So I'm gonna go in with another low pH cleanser, just like I did in the morning. Next, I'm going to hydrate my face with the same facial essence that I used in the morning. And last step, moisturizer. I promise you, like patting instead of rubbing will seriously make such a big difference. And voila, I look like I'm about 15 years old. Anyway, thank you guys so much for joining me throughout my day. I'm so tired, I can barely talk right now. Thanks for joining me throughout my day. You can check all of the products listed in the description box down below. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys next time.